So I'm super excited today to introduce you to the Flaygo Hearing Aid. Now I've got my mom here with me who lives with me, and she's going to be trying these out for the first time on this video. So we'll get her honest feedback on what she notices when she puts these on. So first I just want to show you though how compact the carrying case itself is. It's about the size of a earbud case. It has a charging port here, and it does come with a USB-C cable so that you can keep it fully charged. And one of the cool things about this case is that it will hold its charge for 60 hours. So basically it will hold the charge all week. And then once you put the hearing aids back inside, it literally starts to charge them again. So you're never gonna have to worry about losing power with this. It does come with a operations guide here, a user guide, and then this is the box that we received it in. And then what's really cool is that it comes with several different sizes of, I don't think I have them in there. There's several different sizes of earpieces. So just like when I got my Bose wireless earbuds, comes with many different sizes of the little rubber piece that goes inside your ear, so you can see what's the most comfortable for you. So this is the little piece that there's a few different sizes of. So I think that's a great feature as well. When you open up the case, this is what it looks like inside, and you can see here that I have a lot of battery still left. It said that I have 98% battery, and I haven't charged this in several days. So the device itself, look at how small these are. So the first thing I notice is how small they are. The second thing I notice is how lightweight they are. My wireless ear headphones, definitely weigh more than this. So super small, super lightweight. And then I love that the cable itself is clear, the part that goes over your ear, and that the hearing aid itself is kind of like skin toned. So what that means is that nobody is going to notice that you have this on. It has a very simple mechanism here, which is a switch, which will take it from off until on. And then you have one button on top of it that you can tap to have the different levels of like sound amplification. So when I tried these on, I noticed that I had improved not only volume, like I could hear things louder, but also the clarity of the sound improved, meaning that it was crisper. So we're gonna have Mom try these on and see what she thinks. So when you put them on, all that you're gonna do is put it like an earbud, right? So just put it right inside your ear there, and then you're gonna loop the wire over the top of your ear. And so as you can see now, I have this on, but you would not know. It's basically invisible. So let's have Mom put these on and let's see what she thinks. So for this one's gonna go in your right ear. Let me go ahead and, you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that in? Okay. And then this one we're going to turn on, and then we're going to put that in the ear. Is that in? Okay. And then I'm going to click twice. Let me click this one. You're getting feedback on that one. Okay, try just that one. You're not getting the feedback, are you? Okay. Do you notice any difference in the sound?
Yes, it's It's louder, and I can hear other kind of sounds that you don't normally hear.
Okay, so louder
the air
and
conditioner, maybe the air conditioner.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and louder and clearer.
so louder and clearer. Okay, so that's similar to what I noticed. And as you can see, you literally cannot tell that she has these in. I mean, you would have to be looking directly in her ear to notice anything. Do they feel?
Can't feel.
You can't feel that you're wearing it. So lightweight. And again, I love that the cable part is clear too. Anything else that you notice? And louder and clearer dog barking.
Very loud and clear.
Come here.
No, it certainly is amplifying whatever sounds are around. It's not uncomfortably loud, but clearer and definitely clearer and loud.
Yeah. I'll be interested to see also if she tries it when she's watching TV or listening to something on her phone, that maybe she won't need to turn the volume up as much because she's able to hear, the audio clearer. So we'll report back on that another time. But for now, thank you for giving that feedback. Hopefully you're helping a lot of people who are considering getting these for themselves or a loved one. And so again, this is the FLEGO brand. If you're checking these out, I've been very impressed with them. I would give this a 10 out of 10. And hopefully our video has been super helpful for you.